If you want to insert new lines, instead of overwriting the existing ones, you can use the append function. Here, the strings added below the line number you specify. So putting 1 here adds the string below the line 1. So if you want to add before the line 1, then you can put 0 as a line number. Everything else works similar to setLine. Using the dot as a line below the cursor, dollar after the last line. If you have a list, it inserts all of them in separate lines. So this adds 3 items in the beginning of the buffer. And this adds at the end of the buffer.